Hey guys, so for this episode, it's gonna be all about taillights. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got Nick over here because he is wrapping his taillights in tint. We can now tint here at milsgarage Customs with vhrvinyls, is what I just said. And so, you know, of course over here. And we've got my G35. And so it's gonna be all about taillights. These, what I have on the car, are the 2003 to 2005 taillights. These ones are super smooth down the back of them. And the reverse light is a circle, which is different than these ones over here. These are the squintier versions. These are the 2006, 2007 taillights, which are much more valuable on the market because they've got this, well, they're supposed to have this little button. This one got pushed all the way through by the previous owner, and you can see that the button is now located right over here. And it came off because that's all just rust right there. And so broke off there, broke off right there. And so what I did is I picked up a new wiring harness off of eBay. And so I'm gonna be swapping that one out. And then afterwards, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tail light, put it over here, and then I'm gonna have the 2003, 2005 tail light on this side, and then I'm gonna just compare them. So you guys back at home can decide and let me know which one of these tail lights are nicer. Yeah. So finally, we have the 2006, 2007 taillight versus the 2003 through 2005 taillight. And you can see, the biggest difference I can see so far is just this reverse light is absolutely night and day different, being the circle versus the little, you know, squinty one. Also, the huge difference is right here. There's no reflective type of little lens behind it, so that's nice and smooth. And then when I come over here to the 2006, 2007, it looks like they saw the Transformers movie because they've got that type of a reflective thing going on in the inside. And then also, huge difference, I showed you before, it's nice and smooth coming down the back of it. And then if I was to go to 2006, 2007, we've got a lot of extra contours going on in here. It like dips in and comes out. It's something that we would be able to play with if we were like choosing to tint it or something along those lines. But the huge upgrade, the reason why these taillights are so much more expensive, more valuable, is because when I go up to my car right now, I can go like this. Woo! Let's do it again. This is fun. I have had this car. I've had this car for almost 2 years now, and this button has never once worked because it was broken the entire time. So, for one last comparison, I'm just gonna run up here. Let's turn these on. Let's see. This is the difference. There's a little bit of a difference when it comes to reflectiveness right here. But of course that reverse light right there, you know, completely different. So the smooth back and the lights, and then contours, a lot more going on in there. And of course the contours, right? So, yep, so that is a comparison of G35 taillights. So let us know down below whether or not you like the 2003 to 2005 taillights versus the 2006, 2007 taillights. And also let us know whether or not you like tint on taillights, because we can now tint headlights or taillights clearly, because we've got Nick from vhrvinyls here.
What's up?
Woo! And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below, make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends, and definitely be in contact with Nick, myself, or Ryan if you'd like your car to be wrapped, or tinted, or modified, because we can do it all. So, you.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Have a butt. So, stay tuned. Do. Yo.